UGC videos always suffer without good audio, and the key is getting the lav mic super close to the sound without seeing it. We've got 5 tricks up our sleeve for hiding your mic so you'll always hear it, but never see it. Cutting up veggies makes for some amazing sound bites in your healthy living content, but you also want some tasty footage to cut at the same time. Well, our Blink 500 B2 Plus has magnets so you can snap the mic on to the opposite side of the knife. Out of sight, out of mind. Another super simple and easy way to hide a small lavalier mic is to pop it under your collar. By using one of the lavalier mics from our Blink 500 ProX clip-on mic kits that actually come included, unlike some other folks, you can run the lav up your back, tape it under your shirt collar, and keep it hidden from your viewer. I am so excited to talk to you about my favorite powder today from MAC. It is a Studio Max Fix Powder Plus. I can't recommend a better powder. There's another way to hide the mic that's really useful when you're moving around a lot and you're just not gonna wear a button up, like in a fitness video. Take a peek at the tape sandwich. Carefully place the mic on the sticky side of a thin piece of tape. Then place that onto the non-sticky side of a slightly thicker piece of tape, and you've got yourself a tape sandwich that you can hide pretty much anywhere. The added benefit of the tape sandwich, especially in a fitness video, is that the mic won't flail around or come flying off when you're doing a kick twist exercise thingy. We recommend moleskin or medical tape if you're going to tape it right to your skin. Gaff tape is common, but leaves residue all over your mic. Meh. If you want to get more pro, these little Ursa plush circles are just the best. You always want to do these 10 on each side and then lifting up. Before we get to our favorite way to hide a mic for unboxing videos, let's see how we can hide it right in plain sight. You can match your wardrobe to the mic to be so much less distracting. If you're wearing black, it's a lot easier to hide a black mic. You can easily hide a clip-on mic like our Blink 500 ProX to the inside of your top. Just flip to the inside of your shirt so only the clip shows. Or use the magnet with our Blink 500 B2 Plus so you can hide the mic and magnet right beneath your top. Great for tops without buttons. This little lanyard thing we got makes it even easier to position this little mic right behind your shirt. Hiding a mic like this is perfect for something like a makeup tutorial, where the focus is tight on your hands and face and you don't want the mic distracting from the products you use. This is my go-to for all of my on-camera work, even at home. Great coverage, great mattifying effect, but it doesn't look cakey. What else do we got up our sleeve? Well, if you want to hear all those little cuts, flips, and rustles from your unboxing video with the mic out of sight, we got an easy tip for you. You can do this 2 ways. Put your clip mic on the inside of your shirt sleeve and add a little bit of double-sided tape to stick it to your wrist so it won't move around too much. Or you can take a couple of tape triangles, kind of like a finger football, to encapsulate your lavalier mic into the same position. I'm so excited to finally get my Chirp neck massager. Let's unbox it together. There you go. 5 tips for keeping your mic out of the shot. What do you think? How else can you hide a mic from your camera? Let us know if you have a hot tip in the comments below. This very video that you're watching was recorded using the Blink 500 ProX, testing, and the Blink 500 B2 Plus.